Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Team ForceBolt is back with yet another interesting video for you. The king of the software world, Microsoft, is known for its unbeatable software updates and features, but this time the news is somewhat the opposite. Must be wondering what exactly has happened, right? Let us help you to break the balloon of suspense for you. So the software giant Microsoft has officially confirmed a new bug in the latest update of Windows 11 2022. The officials declared that typing in certain languages such as Korean, Japanese, Chinese and others might perform differently than expected. On the big update, Microsoft stated that when typing in languages that use multi-byte character sets such as Japanese, Korean and Chinese, operations to convert characters might not function correctly. Text conversion occurs when a series of characters is transformed into different characters by means of user selection. This commonly involves additional prediction candidate and conversion candidate windows, which appear near the cursor position while typing. Well, this is the latest version of Windows 11 and its launch is currently underway. Microsoft did not provide an approximate time for its release when the launch is projected to be completed. The update on the rollout progress is expected any day now. Microsoft said that users who come across the bug might experience the following signs on their Windows 11 devices. Number 1. A wrong range of characters is automatically selected for translation, resulting in the window showing unexpected options. And number 2. The cursor might reposition to an unexpected place, resulting in picking the wrong sequence of characters of translation. At this point, Microsoft declares it's operating on a complete fix with an update launched to go live at some point shortly. After this statement, it will be impressive to see if the software giant is ready to resolve the bug in Windows 11. So are you excited to use the error-free window update? Indeed, we do too. Well, that is all we have for today. We will see you soon with another exciting video. Till then, do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel so that whenever we post something, you get notified automatically. See you soon.